Okay, so I'm going to show you a demo about the crypto extension which we have developed, and this is the sample files which is related to the server. So all we need to do is we just need to modify the. Currently, I have added the information in my Firebase server, and all you need to do is you just need to place the same thing under your name if you want. Okay, we could able to do that. It won't be a big thing. And this is our extension, so don't. It was initially like whatever you have done, it was very little and it was so silly, that application. So what I have done is I have taken everything whatever inside, and I have used my way of doing it, so that the application is going to be as long as possible, and it will be easily extendable as well. Okay, so we have all the stuff, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to uh, build the extension first and then I am going to show you the demo, and then I will be informing you the constraints what Google Chrome has. Okay, so at first let me show you the demo. Okay, so what is this? Yeah, load and packed, and okay, so the application is up and running. So in order to see the demo, I'm going to use it. I'm not changing anything else for your shortcut key. I'm just going to use the same Control C, and if I click that, you see that we are getting some information like USD, percentage of change, last 1 hour, last 24 hour, last 7D. Okay, I will come back to the display stuff, but before that I will let me explain you what are all the features it has. Okay, so we have selected BTC and it showed me, and if I am going to click it, it is going to go here, and if I am going to select Bitcoin, it is going to show me the same thing. So we are fetching both Bitcoin and BTC, we are testing it. Okay, what if I am going to pick something which is not a symbol? So as you mentioned, it will go back to DuckDuck itself, and then clicking that, it will go to the DuckDuck search. I have used the code from Zap in order to use that. Okay, so there will be two calls which is involved there. Okay, and then we will look into what are all the rich notification uh, constraints actually. Okay, so there are 4 type of notifications only support. Previously there has been rich HTML, there is no more rich HTML now, only 4. And one is basic image, and then list notification. What I have tried is list notification. So if you look into here, what I have done is I have added all the things whatever, last 24 hour, last 7 day, volume 24 hour, currency, market cap, circulating supply, total supply. But the problem there is rich notification will not show you all the information which it was supposed to. So since I have added all the information, it just showed me like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5. Okay, and it was constrained from Google Chrome, so you can blame me that it only 5 items will be shown there. Okay, and then image can be shown. I'm not, we don't have anything in image, all we have is the Bitcoin image, and if you see here, we already showing the Bitcoin image as well. So if you see here the Bitcoin, so if you are going to see some other coin, what is some other coin? I think there is something called ETH, right? Okay, I will try ETH and have a Control C. So Ethereum. Okay, so it will change based on whatever is required. Okay, and yeah, and the next thing is we will come back to the notification. Only 5 is going to be shown here, so this is a constraint. And if you see, there is one more issue as well in Mac actually. Only the first list item is displayed in users in Chrome version on Mac OS X. So at least in Windows we are getting 5, but in Mac you will be getting only 1. Okay, so that is one thing. And next thing is the message. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change. I have added one more thing. Rather than having this as a list, I have made that as a simple message. So I thought let it show everything. Okay, and I think it's been updated, right? Yeah, it's been updated. So what I'll do is I'll just reload stuff, and then now I am going to call BTC again. What will do is it will show everything, whatever you are saying. Okay, but the problem is it was some blind text. It's not going to show you exactly what you want, but it will show some blind text. Okay, so these are all the constraints from notifications API. So you can't able to do anything with the notification API, because the notification API will allow you only to do something like that. Okay, so we have the data, we could able to get it however you want. For example, rather than showing it as a notification there, I can make it to be shown here itself, just like I can make this showing here. For example, within the browser window itself, I can just inject the script, I can make it show. So that's not the issue. But the point is I have agreed for a minimal viable product. Okay, the minimal viable product is this. And also there is one more thing which I forgot to say. It's not just like we are going to work only for Chrome here. It supports Firefox, Opera as well. So if you want, we can just change it for Firefox and Opera as well. Okay, and yeah, and that's it. I think I need to stop now. Where is the F10 key?